I don't believe it. He's only gone and made a video. So, what's this beardy old fool doing, I hear you ask? Well, as the classic saying goes, when life gives you filthy old roofing slates, you make arty stuff with it, I think. That's actually the back of the slate there that I'm flattening and cleaning, because a little bit later I'm going to need to glue something to it. Oh, spoiler alert! So I sketched out this pattern just on some scrap bit of paper that I had, and it's been stuck down to the slate with carpet glue. That I find holds it in place really well, while I use that little diamond coated engraving bit to mark the surface of the slate below. Leave me a comment below if you know the posh name for this type of diagram. Hint, it starts with a V. I don't want to go too deep here, just enough to scratch the surface. Okay, so paper pattern peeled off, glue residue cleaned with white spirit, and now what I'm doing is filling in any gaps where the pattern just wasn't quite clear enough from the first pass. Whoa, what's that? Buy me a pygmy giraffe. Alright, it's a buy me a coffee link. You know how it works. Alright, time to cut out some of these pesky shapes. What I'm using is a tungsten carbide cutter bit and my shiny new Fortiflex. Thank you, Dremel. Now you don't have to use the same tool, of course, but I just really like the power that I get with this, and the control that I've got with the foot pedal as well. I, the power of Fortiflex. I have the power. Sorry. on to a bit of smoothing out. I'm going to look for a different way to do this next time, because I did manage to wear this one down, this buffing bit, but oh well, you live and learn. I find that Danish oil really brings out the colours of the slates well. Right, who put that there? Oh, and another one. You just hate it when that happens. You remember I said I was going to stick something to the back? There you go. Thanks, Rory.